We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and for those of you that are new, thank you so much for stopping by. So today I have an unboxing video for you. A company reached out to me named Oneday Savings, and they ended up sending me a bunch of stuff. They are an online store that provides diamond art, also known as diamond painting, and cross-stitching and other crafting supplies. So if you want to see what I ended up getting, then just keep on watching. Guys, before we begin this video, make sure to hit the like button because it really helps out our channel. Also subscribe and hit that notification bell so that way you'll be notified every time we upload. Now let's jump right into the video. Thank you Oneday Savings for sponsoring this video. They are also providing my subscribers 5% off of their order using my code GeneLizQ5OFF. I'm going to make sure to list the code also in the description box so you guys can check it out for yourselves. So guys, I'm super excited to do this unboxing, and this is why. I ended up getting these really cute Minnie and Mickey Mouse keychains, and it's really cool because it comes with the tray, the tools, and the diamonds. So I'm just going to open this up so you guys can see. One thing that I love about this company is that their stuff is super affordable. So here it has the gum that you use for the pen, the tray like I showed you before, and the diamond art that you are going to be needing. And now I'm going to open up the keychains. So when I got the keychains, I got them with the purpose of actually finishing them. Diamond art is super cool and nice, but it does take time depending on the size of your project. So this is really nice, guys. So I got this one here, which is a Minnie Mouse's head with a bow. And then we have her with another face expression. And then here we have Mickey. We have them once again in another position, and then we have the last one, which is Mickey. So I got a total of 5 different keychains, and then here are the chains and the hooks that come with it. Comes with the hooks and also the chain. And I dropped that one. Comes with the chain as well. So basically you would loop this right here like that, and then you would loop it in here like that, and snap it. You guys can see that. Oops. Like that. I'm gonna be doing another video of me actually doing the keychains, so make sure that you have your notification bells turned on so you guys can see the whole process and what the final results are. So make sure to check out Facebook and Instagram because I'll post the pictures of the final results there as well. Another thing that I ended up getting was another set of tools. Now, this one that I got has a bigger tray. You have your regular one and then you have this one. Comes also with the gummies. And then the wands, I ended up getting this one. Then there's this one that's a little bit more wider and bigger. And then you have this one here. I don't know if you guys can see that. But that's what it looks like. And it's just going to make the job much easier, especially if you have a repetitive section of the same color and you're not individually placing each diamond. This helps to definitely speed up the process. When I got into this, that was one of the first things that I wanted to check out because I know through my daughters that they have like the bigger tools. For the diamonds, when my girls have done their diamond art, they end up either going to Dollar Tree or Michael's or Walmart, and you can look at where they have like the jewelry stuff or the crafting supplies, and they get these little like trays. That way they can separate the colors. This one is Ariana's. She ended up putting even the number, so then that way it makes it easier when she's doing the diamond art, which I think is super helpful. Also, I believe Dollar Tree has like a wheel type container that looks similar to this, and you can put your diamonds into that. For the next one, this one I'm really excited about. And I know that this one's gonna take a little bit of time, or let's just say a lot of time. Okay guys, are you ready? I ended up getting this. So it is the Disney Castle on clouds, and then you have the Mickey Mouse head with the fireworks in the back, and this is gonna go perfect in my office, so I can't wait to complete this. This is gonna take time, but I am super excited. And same as with the other one, I got the tray with the tool and all of the colors of beads. So let's take a look to see what they look like. And I noticed too that when I placed my order, the package didn't even take that long to arrive, which I really like. The beads come like this, in these little bags. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and on TikTok. And until next time, guys.